Imagine a world where genetic disorders and cancers are no longer life sentences, where diseases are cured not by drugs, but by changing the very DNA that causes them. Welcome to the world of gene therapy.
Gene therapy is a medical treatment that involves altering the gene inside a person's cells to treat or prevent diseases. It's like fixing the code in your DNA that's broken, allowing the body to function normally again.
This can be done by replacing, inactivating, or introducing genes into the cells. It's a technology that offers hope for treating diseases caused by genetic mutations like cystic fibrosis, hemophilia, and even some forms of cancers.
Gene therapy has shown promising results in treating genetic diseases, some of which we thought were incurable. Let's talk about a few examples.
Take cystic fibrosis, for example. It's a genetic condition that affects the lungs and digestive system. With gene therapy, doctors can deliver a healthy copy of the defective gene to the lungs, improving the function of these organs.
Another breakthrough technique involves a disease called liver congenital amaurosis, a rare inherited form of blindness. Gene therapy has restoration for some patients by restoring ang healthy gene to the retina.
Gene therapy has also made strides in treating hemophilia, a blood disorder, by inserting a gene responsible for producing clotting factors into the patient's cell. This treatment reduces the need for regular blood infusions.
Gene therapy is still relatively new. Success rates are becoming more promising.
However, success isn't guaranteed for everyone. For example, some patients might develop an immune response to the viral vectors used to deliver the gene, making the therapy less effective.
Despite this, gene therapy has been approved for several diseases, and the FDA continues to approve new gene therapy treatments as well as more research is conducted.
While gene therapy offers incredible potential, it also raises ethical questions. Should we be altering human genome, especially in embryos, where changes could be passed down to future generations?
There are concerns about unintended consequences such as genetic modifications, leading to unforeseen health problems or even creating genetic inequalities.
And what about its accessibility? Gene therapy is expensive and currently not available to everyone. How can I ensure that the benefits of this technology can reach people around the world and not just for those who can afford it? The future of gene therapy looks bright with ongoing research aiming to make treatments more affordable, accessible, and effective.
From treating their genetic disorder to the potential cure for some cancer, gene therapy is paving the way for the new era in medicine.
While challenges remain, one thing is clear: gene therapy holds immense promise in changing the way we treat diseases.
We've only just scratched the surface. The next decade could bring breakthrough that we can't even imagine today.